Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Novel AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in novelai.net and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Novel AI website. Now from this page, first of all click on the login button at the top right corner if you haven't logged into your account already. And then go ahead and use your credentials. After logging in using your credentials, you will be taken to your dashboard. Now if you wish to change your username or your pen name, then you will need to click on the extension button at the top left corner. Once you click on this, you will find the gear icon. Click on the gear icon, which will take you into your settings page. Now from the settings page, click on account and then you will find your pen name section. Go ahead and click on the change button at the right side and now you can type in your desired username. Go ahead and type in your desired username, which will also be used as your pen name. Then click on the save button and now your name will immediately be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on Novel AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.